Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss to you guys on how to write a program using Pascal programming language that will ask the user to give a sentence, and then our program will simply count the number of words in a given sentence or a series of strings. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and avid supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So let's begin. We have here program word count, var, sentence. We have string, count, integer, integer, in word, boolean, true or false, begin. We have here the title word program word count in Pascal. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give us a sentence that will be stored in our variable sentence, which has a data type of string. So count we initialize with 0, in word, false, using for loop statement for I 1 to length of the sentence. Do begin if sentence, checking here, small letter A, capital to Z, small letter Z, capital A to Z, and digits 0 to 9. If not in word, then begin. In word true, it will count. Else, it is false, no? And then we have here the close of the conditional statement, and then the looping statement, and then we display the result here. The sentence contains count words, red line, end. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go with our online GDB. Our program right now is running. Let's say for example, Bacolod City is considered city of smile. This is the sentence that we have. Enter key. So the sentence Bacolod City is considered city of smile, we have 7 words. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right. Let us stop the execution and then we run again. Let's say Pascal programming is fun and easy. So the sentence is Pascal programming is fun and easy. So the sentence Pascal programming is fun is easy contains 6 words. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on word count in Pascal programming language. Thank you so much for watching. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.